Yeah, Krazy, right? Yeah, yeah, get him, blast. Look, I think it's time to unleash the beast inside me. Get rid of the niggas like recycling. Living street like trying to make something out of name. I've got the whole gang, we coming like hurricane. When I'm with the gang, you never catch me sober. I'm making move cause I'm trying to get my shit straight. I'm no longer getting younger, I'm getting older. Some niggas change on me, but I'm still the same. I don't change colors like chameleon, I'm original. I'm gonna stick to the plan, I don't care what they say. Going on, they ain't gonna stop. Like I'm on the freeway, I'm gonna act like I don't hear them time behind my back. I'm only step ahead, I don't let them play with me. I spend my time in the studio, avoiding a lot of things. I'm trying to stay away from trouble in the street. I'm trying to change my life, only focusing on me. I'm gonna keep on striving. I'm gonna keep on doing my thing. They say every man for himself. I don't stick to the plan, it's only for nobody else. They wanna see me down, they shouting me out. I'm stuck in the mud, tryna find a way out. Jealousy, you're the reason why they hating on me. I'm gonna keep going till I find the glory. If you don't lose friends, you don't make sense. A lot of people came in my life and left. Thanks for a name. If you got my back, prove it cause talk is cheap. Don't say it cause you wanna satisfy me. The niggas act like they rip, but deep down they are fake. If they ain't with me, they ain't it's okay. I'll do things in my way, I ain't gonna lie. I don't trust no one, especially when I think about the shit that I have been through. No, yeah. I'm gonna keep on striving. I'm gonna keep on doing my thing. They say every man for himself. I won't stick to the plan, cause I don't live for nobody else. I'm gonna keep on striving. I'm gonna keep on doing my thing. They say every man for himself. I won't stick to the plan, cause I don't live for nobody else.